Hey friends, coming to you from 5807 Maiden Lane in Bethesda. Listen, lots to love about this home and this location. First of all, location, you're in Bethesda. You're about 1.5 miles away from NIH, from Walter Reed, Bethesda Metro Station, shops, entertainment, lots of great things. The school's nearby here. And the home itself, first of all, you're on about 1/5 of an acre, nice flat, great lot here. The home itself, you can see we've got some stone exterior. You've got a nice garage. You've got 4 bedrooms. They're renovated. There's an addition also, but you've got freshly painted walls, nice floors, the kitchen, the updates, the master bath. It's a turnkey home, ready for you or somebody you might know. Come take a tour with us, and we'd love to do whatever we can to take care of you and point you or someone else in the right direction with this beautiful home. Let us know. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate you. Take care.